That was beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, well, usually I accompany myself, but I was fortunate enough to have my producer John in the audience and my friend Frankie here tonight, and they're awesome musicians. So, yeah, give it up to them. Thank you guys. So I'm taking advantage of that, and I'm just going to sing tonight. This song I wrote about the age-old cliche, you never know what you have until it's gone. And this one goes out to my ex-boyfriend who learned that lesson the hard way. So this one's called Human Nature. We'd lie in bed and we'd listen to our favorite songs. I was naked, all of your clothes were on. I never imagined I wouldn't be by your side. You took me for granted.